Welcome back. Well, let's get straight to our next management. Bandhan Bank, that's a stock in focus. The operational weakness continued for the bank in the first quarter. The MFI book saw a sharp decline and asset quality remains under some stress. For FY24, the management has given a loan guidance of close to around 20%. To understand more about how they want to go about achieving this, we're joined by Mr. Chandra Shekhar Ghosh, the MD and CEO of the company. Good morning, Mr. Ghosh. Well, it appears it was a bit of a rough quarter for you, but you've maintained your guidance of close to around 20%. Tell us, how do you plan on achieving this? Because for the first quarter, you have achieved single digits. If you need to achieve that 20% odd, you'll have to do mid-20 growth for the remainder of this year. And also your MFI book has degrown. So how sure are you of getting to this 20%? And how do you see the MFI book recovering?
Thank you. The growth of the MFI book is a seasonality. If I mentioned on that, the last year, first quarter, our MFI book have been down in the 5,000 crores. And this year also is the 5,000 crores. Last year, we have been disbursed in this quarter as a 8,200 crores. And this year, this quarter, we have been disbursed the 8,000 crores. So it is in very similarity of seasonality in the first quarter. And the second quarter, before the 1 month of Puja, it will start the disbursement again in the back to the position. And the continuously it will become, so that will be like to reach in this, the percentage which we are guided to the market on 20% will be reached.
Sir, good morning, Prashant this side. Two questions, sir. One, based on the loan growth figures for the quarter, should one sort of open a downside watch to the full year loan growth figure of 20%, which you've been guiding for? That is one. And second, because of all the, unfortunate incidents of flooding and damage to property, etc., because of the excessive rainfall in especially the north, is there going to be any impact in Q2? I mean, have you done any sort of damage assessment for your book?
No, if we see that as per the first quarter, April, May, we have been seeing some down. June has come to the normal. And July half already done is a good way to making. So that whatever the rainfall happened, it is not impacted to my book. And we are predicted on that the farmers will be like to plant their paddy, and they have the good demand. And the demand will be like to fulfill, will be fully started from August and onwards. So that my 20% the guided to growth of this financial year, I have the confidence on that will be reached on this.
Okay, confident on the 20% growth. The issue, Mr. Ghosh, is on asset quality as well. Stress has risen significantly, especially your slippages, almost at 1,400 crores now compared to 1,100 crores last quarter. What went so wrong? And can you guide us for what the gross NPAs and the slippages could be in, the ballpark range in the upcoming quarters?
No, if you see that the last quarter, it was in 1,100 crores plus. And this quarter has come to this 13.65 crores, 1,300 crores on that. So if out of these 1,300 crores, 215 crores has come technically from housing loan, and we are 160 out of 215 crores already recovered on that. For that region, the last quarter and the slippage and this quarter slippage are similar amount. And though it is a seasonality is there in this quarter, but the next quarter it will be again started to the come down, and you know that collection efficiency also improving. So that will be helped us on that to better collection efficiency and slippage coming down to the next quarter.
Okay, so you're saying that this quarter is impacted because of seasonality and it will get adjusted next quarter. So just on an average, by the end of FY24, where do you see your gross NPAs? Because they are almost at 6.8% now. Could you bring it down by the end of the year? And on the slippages average number as well, if you can help us, by the end of the year, what are you looking at?
No, if you see that the 6.8%, it is 6.7%, it has come to these two factors on that. One factor is my business growth has come down. It has been impacted to this, the NPA percentage showing high. Second point, on the 583 crores, we are having the ECLGS loan, which loan we are declared as a stressed earlier, but as per new circular has come to this quarter, it will be like to declared as a NPA, so that we have been declared as a NPA, so that these two factors have been showing it as an increase of the percentage. So though it is a government guarantee is there 583 crores, by this year this money will be returned back. And you also know that CGFMU also money is returning back. And third point, whatever we are recovered the money from the NPA customer, and that the money, major portion of that money we have given to the ARC, and which will be closed this quarter. Their money, whatever they have a demand, it will be paid by them. And third quarter onwards, whatever the collection will come, which have been, it will be like to effect to my book, and automatically NPA percentage will come down, which we are guided 2% in this financial year, March 24.
All right. So slippages quarterly numbers, sir, will come down to what?
Quarterly, if I say that the quarter-on-quarter basis, it will be come on that. The two factors will be work. One factor is a collection efficiency is going up now. So slippage is come down. Second is the recovery, whatever will be like to recover, 50% go to the ARC and 50% coming to us. That will be also helped us to reduce the NPA amount. And third point, ECLGS and CGFMU money will become in this quarter. That also impacted my NPA reduce.
Okay. All right. Your NIMs, you're saying you'll maintain it between 7.5%, but your CASA has come down to 36%. Earlier, you had said that your target was to get it back to 40%. You still maintain that?
Yes. If you see that the NIM, it is maintaining on that 7.3% in this quarter, though it is in business, some of the profit loss. And it has been very good sign for the bank. We are maintaining it. We hope that the 7 to 7.5% will be like to get and continue as a NIM. If I come to the deposit growth of the bank has come 16.7% year-on-year basis. We have the good confidence with our deposit customers. They are coming and depositing their money on that. Second thing on that, if you see liabilities customer year-on-year basis, 11.5% increase. And 50% of my customer are transacting regular basis to the bank. That is 50% means the growth has come, 50% growth has come to the transaction the customer are doing in our bank, which helping us to more CASA deposit will come to the future. So growth has come good. Retail growth also has been continuous at 71%. And bulk deposit has come down. And CASA has come little bit down. Again, it will be come to up. And that will be like to help to the bank to maintain the CASA growth 40% in this financial year.
Okay. All right. 40% in this financial year. Thanks a lot for that. Mr. Ghosh, appreciate your thoughts and all the best for the quarters to come. That is Bandhan Bank explaining what went wrong this quarter and how it's a seasonal factor that impacted their earnings, but things will improve going ahead. Let's